Friends, today we will look at the performance of Life Insurance Corporation of India, a central government public sector undertaking, with reference to its Q1FY24 results. Revenue has grown by 12% year on year. Gross profit has grown by 163%. Net profit has grown by 1297%. You see, these figures look very awesome, very wonderful. But let us go a little deeper into details. Current price is around 650, something like that. 52-week high is 754, some 100 rupees more. Will it reach that level or surpass that level? We'll have to wait and see in the course of time. Volumes are good, 654,000, something like that. So buying, selling, there is no problem. Trailing 12 months EPS has grown reasonably. Annual EPS growth also is okay. Return on assets is improving. Quarterly net profit and profit margin for Q1 with reference to the Q1 of last year is increasing. Because it is a central government PSU, there is no debt and no pledging of equity also. Annual profits are improving slightly. Now, but mutual funds have decreased their holding during the quarter. Quarterly comparison, Q1 versus Q4 of last year, that has come down in Q1 latest. So, of course, it is a strong performer. The profits are good, but are they growing? That is doubtful. Whether income is very, very good. Is it growing? It is inconsistent. The income is very good. Among all the life insurers, LIC is the best. But it's not growing. It is inconsistent. Let us see. But many analysts, some 17 analysts have been examined, they have all given a buy rating. So, everybody considers LIC as a good company. Now, we will see the other things. Price, if you look at the price, it is very near to 52-week high only, 13.65% away from 52-week high, but price movement, if you see that price momentum is very negligible. Of course, it has been growing from April onwards up to September. In September, it has fallen somewhat. Piotrowski score, if you see that, it is good. 8 indicates strong financials. Yes, strong financials, there is no doubt about it. But is it growing? That is the thing. Shareholding, central government holds more than 96%. So only the balance 4% is distributed between FIAs, DIAs, etc. and public. Price performance, if you look at that, it was never a multi-bagger. It never gave good returns for the investors so far. But it is producing great profits. That is there. But returns to investors, very low. Now let us look at the quarterly results. Total income, 1,89,523 crores. 1,89,523 crores. Very huge. But previous quarter was 2,443 crores. So compared to previous quarter, there is a degrowth of minus 5.5%. Now what about Q1 of last year? 1,68,799. So with reference to Q1 of last year, there is a growth of 12.28%. in the total income. Employees cost, etc. Employees cost is 5,739. It is low, not very material. Provisions are minus only. It has come down. Other expenses are very high. 1,79,135 crores, which is 15.17% more compared to year on year. But quarter on quarter, it is there is a degrowth in other expenses. That is good. Degrowth of about 9%. Now, when you look at the net profit is 8,651 crores, which is very impressive. Looks like that. But previous quarter 13,191 crores. So compared to previous quarter of 13,191 crores, now only 9,634 crores. Its previous quarter was 8,348 crores. Its previous quarter was 15,854 crores. Its previous quarter, that is Q1 of last year, was 603 crores. So compared to Q1 of last year, there is a growth of 1,000. I told about the final net profit, 1,498%. But before considering the shareholders, etc., the net profit at the net profit stage, if you see that, there is a growth of 14,613, because there was actually a loss at that net profit stage. Minus 59.61 crores only was the loss. Now net profit is 8,651 crores, impressive, but less than previous quarter. So the income and net profit, etc., are very good, but they are topsy-turvy, not consistent. That's the problem with LIC. LIC may have to think about this angle and produce more consistent profits and income, and also ensure that it is growing. See, income should grow, profit should grow. So there should be a significant growth. Then LIC becomes worthy of buying, in my opinion. I am not giving any, you don't go by my opinion. Many analysts have given it a very good buy rating. But I have given you my opinion and their opinion and the hard facts. See, it is producing good profits, good income, no doubt. It is not growing, that is also no doubt. Thank you for listening. I want LIC to monopoly PSU doing a lot of service. Therefore, it should grow. That's my opinion. Thank you. Thank you for listening.